Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Crypto Global 100, and today we are going to predict the price analysis of QuickSwap, which has recently announced on the Binance. You can see three pairs: BUSD, BNB and BTC, and we're gonna take a look in in one of those exchanges. First we're gonna take a look from the trading view. Do we have any chart? This is the Poloniex chart, and it was launched on the Poloniex on 4th May 2021. And let me take a look at this area, May 20, and that's also on the May. So here we have 327, and we need to look for the bottom. Here we have 222 as the bottom here, and here we have 151 as the bottom. And if we take a look at other exchanges, let me take a look at exchanges. Here we have Gate, Poloniex and MX exchange. Let's take a look at the MX exchange as well, so we can get the idea of this quick USDT price analysis. Yeah, no, it was launched later on this website. So we're gonna take Gate.io. Let me show you guys. High of 27.94, and here we had a high of 1900. So different, guys, price, different bars here. On here we have different bars as well. So lastly we're gonna take a look at this one, but it is pretty new. Binance, it was just recently launched. So we're gonna take, please let me know in the comment section. I am taking this as our price analysis. I'm taking the QuickSwap. Here you can see here it was launched yesterday. That's why we saw some volume spike here. That's why it was the volume spike. So I'm gonna make this a short video. Some people were asking me about the price areas, so I'm gonna show you the price areas. Here we have this area to be the the price. You can see this would be our support, resistance here. For now this would be our resistance area, and on the downside we have this as the resistance, as the support area here. 230 is the support area. So according to this chart, we have this as the support, as the resistance, and this as the support, although this is also an area here. But I'm gonna take a look at this one, quick swap on the Gate.io. So I'm gonna take a look here. What do we have as a resistance here? Let me show you guys the area here. I'm gonna turn on the tools. Here we have this one. I'm gonna make it black and make it a bit wider here. So this area at 381, and at this area on the, we have 420. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna draw an area here. Now this would give us a perfect area of resistance as well. Why this is acting as a resistance? We got 1 2 3 4 as a resistance, 1 2 3 as a support. So 360 is a good region. Okay, 360 is a good area of support. Once we break above, any candle closing above 360 is gonna give us a level. You can see it's gonna move to 420. That would be the area of first resistance. That is the second resistance. And if we take a look at the Gate.io, we have this area as a support level, as the resistance level, 381. So yeah, let me mark out another as well, this one here. So now I think this is the area, the second point here, 361. Now it coincides with this one, 360. So 360 is the support area, as the resistance area. We need to break above 360 for the price action to move in the upward direction, or at least to 420. And after 420 we would be looking for this area, but there are multiple candles. This could be taken into account as well, but this is not a wick, this is a full candle. And also downside, we have a very low volume. So low volume areas usually don't get into the concentration. We need to find out some strong, and that would happen after a couple of days. So guys, if we break above 420, surely we're gonna move in the upper direction, because it has been launched on the Binance. And let's take a look at the supply. Yeah, it has a limited supply. It's a limited supply coin, so it has good potential. Only 1 million. That's a pretty good supply. So I think that coin has a lot of potential to grow. And you can see here already 20,000 19,000 people with 394 ranking, and it is on the Ethereum blockchain and the Polygon blockchain. And the volume has decreased. I think many people would have sold because on the day of launching, on the day of listing, usually this happens, and this happened on the Binance. Although the volume is low, but I think it's gonna move up in the future. So this is it, guys. Thank you for watching the price analysis of QuickSwap.